Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, August 31st, 2011. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of 1 ES tick. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed through our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 1875. And we immediately went into a signal short that did produce our first target, but we did not get the follow through we were looking for. Ended up with a T1 minus 2, and then shortly thereafter at 9:42 the Chicago PMI came out, shot the market up, gave a nice extension entry to the long side that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks off that news announcement. The market continued higher until about 10 o'clock. We had some more news come out. We had a signal to the downside initially, which produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. And as soon as that target was hit, the market quickly reversed, pushed to the upside, gave another signal entry that did not follow through, gave a T1 minus 2. As we came back down through our moving average, we had another signal short. This signal was looking good, other than the fact that it started to push and then did a nice retracement, and on that retracement it stopped us out of our position, which what would have ultimately would have been a winning trade. But when we adjust after our first target, we ended up getting stopped out on that back half of our position. The market ended up trading off pretty much all the way up until the lunchtime dead zone. We did have another opportunity for a signal long. Unfortunately for us, on this signal it was a false signal. Full stop out, T0 minus 14, which went into a nice fast move to the downside, set up the extension opportunity. Again, first contract was able to get off, only to see it come back into our stop, T1 minus 2. We do not initiate any new trades during the lunchtime dead zone. That's the red area you see on the chart. You can see the market continued to push lower, but coming out of the lunchtime dead zone, it did make a quick move up and then came back down through our moving average, setting up one more signal short, and this led up to the push down that ended up taking us down for the most part of the afternoon. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit on that trade for 7 ticks, and then the market pushed down, filled its gap, and it was a high probability gap, and didn't start bouncing until later than after the 3 o'clock time frame, at which point we do not take on any new trades. So a lot of activity, kind of a strange day. We had some positive news announcement, took the markets higher initially, and then the Justice Department came out and had the information on the blocking of the merger with the telecommunication companies there, pushed the market down hard before bouncing there at the end. So 8 trades, 1 ES tick. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.